Welcome! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to check your recent emails from Instagram using the latest steps for 2025. Whether you're worried about suspicious activity or just want to verify messages from Instagram, this guide will help you stay secure and informed. Let's get started by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to check. Once you're in, head to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile, look for the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. This is the menu icon. Tap on it to open up a list of options. From the menu, select Account Center. This is where Instagram manages your account settings, security, and connected experiences across Meta platforms. Once you're inside the Account Center, scroll down and tap on Password and Security. This section is dedicated to keeping your account safe and gives you access to important security features. Inside the Password and Security section, you'll see an option called Recent Emails. Tap on this, and you'll see a list of all the official emails Instagram has sent to your account in the past 14 days. This is a great way to confirm if a message you received was really from Instagram or if it might be a phishing attempt. Review the list of recent emails carefully. If you see anything suspicious or an email you don't recognize, take action right away by updating your password and enabling two-factor authentication for extra security. That's it. You've now learned how to check your recent emails from Instagram directly within the app. This quick check can help you spot scams and keep your account safe. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date tips on Instagram and other social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.